Hi guys, today I decided to do this video to tell you everything about Ikaria Lean Belly Juice supplement, new product. So I want to tell you a little bit about the story behind the studies so then you understand why they decided to work on this product, which is a great supplement full of benefits, and I'm going to tell you throughout this video, okay? So stay with me, pay close attention, I have many details to share with you. Okay, so first important thing, you watch my video, you like this product and you want to purchase. Only one place is sold, official website, guys. So to avoid any confusion, any mistakes, I'm leaving the link of the official website under the description of my video, okay? So why also I'm telling you that? Because nowadays you can find in many marketplaces people trying to resell products or maybe telling you they're reselling. But there are two things that can happen. Or you never get the product and you spend all your money and you don't start with your new routine and your new goals. Or you can get this product and maybe it's not what the producer is advertising and it's going to harm your body. You don't want that. With the official website, you can guarantee that it's only what it's advertised, all the products and all the natural ingredients that you're gonna find in Ikaria Lean Belly Juice supplement, okay? So guys, quick story behind the studies so then you understand why the producer came up with this great idea, this great exotic and natural combination that will help not only to burn the fat into your body, but also improving your life in many other aspects, such as sex drive, having more energy levels throughout your day, having a better skin, and much more. So they decided to do also studies in US and also in Canada, and one really important in the University of Alberta in Canada as well, finding that the overweighted people have high levels of toxic lipid molecules called ceramides. This is the main key, okay? So I'm telling you that because what comes next is when you get concerned. So when these vital organs are clogged with fat, your metabolism slows to a crawl and your fat-burning hormones almost completely shut down. So with this combination of 8 natural and exotic ingredients, you can support liver health, you can flush out clogged fat, you can shrink the fat cells, you can promote fat burning, reduce cravings, you can reduce fat mass, rejuvenate cells, all of those great changes into your body, system, and life with only 8 natural ingredients plus a proprietary blend of 8 additional ingredients there are beetroots, hibiscus, strawberry extracts, acai extracts, African mango extract, black currant extract, and blueberry powder. So I'm gonna tell you like pretty quick how to use. You get 1 scoop every morning and you drop into your preferable juice or water, a full glass of juice or water, and you drink it. Pretty easy, just be consistent, just do it every day, don't skip a day if you want to see results, and you are set up for your new life, your new goals, and the changes, the great changes and improvement of your body. Don't forget, 100% natural, no side effects, and the most important thing that you have 180 days to try this product, and if you don't like or if you don't see results, no matter which reason you have, if you don't like it, you can return it. You have 180 days money back guarantee. So I really hope I help you with this video. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great improvement in your life. And if you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you, okay?